Hey guys, we're back again. Today I'm here to talk to you about how I messed up big time. With having the 14 Hemi Ram, it was a great truck, just didn't really check all the boxes for me. Comfort-wise, yeah, it was getting there. Uh, just saying power-wise, it was a little lacking. We tow this fifth wheel here behind us and, getting on some hills and stuff like that, it really made it difficult. Between that and also with the fuel mileage. But I'm not saying that's really where I messed up. Um, how I messed up actually was this 2020 Ram Bighorn Cummins. I know what you're thinking, dude, how is that bad? Well, it's not bad, but it opens up so many windows and opportunities for upgrades that can be done. So I'm going to actually start a new series on modifications with this truck, and also a follow along of ownership for the updates, if you're even considering a Cummins, to see if it would be a good fit for you guys. So far, I've owned it for a few days, had a lot of fun with it, ended up getting a really good deal on it, got a really good trade-in for the other truck. So far, I'm really happy with it. At this point in time, right now it is leveled. It does have the fuel wheels. It does have the blackout package. I did install the S&B cold air intake on it because it had a K&N on it before, which was set in the dreaded P0402, the EGR excessive flow. In order to resolve that issue, this truck does actually have rear air ride, which it rides amazing unloaded. I don't have the fifth wheel hooked up yet. It's still a little bit cold and snowy, so I'm not going to be doing that here for a little bit. But I will give you guys some towing videos for what it's acting like, to see if it actually tows any better. Fuel mileage at this point in time, we're getting about 20 unloaded, which really isn't bad. The old truck, I was getting about 12 to 13. Didn't really have any modifications with that at all. But so far I am actually really happy with this one. It is the midnight package, so it is all blacked out everywhere, inside, outside, everything. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I'll give you guys a little slideshow here and show you some of the features of the truck. I do have Bilstein front shocks that we're actually going to be putting on. I do have a passive entry kit that we're going to be installing. Do a walkthrough with that one. Rock blocks, mud flaps, that's on order. I'm actually going to be doing the cargo camera install on this truck here as well. It does not have the factory cargo camera, but we're going to put it in. So, yeah, I guess here we are on a new chapter. Hopefully you guys enjoy the new series and enjoy following along. See y'all next time.